అందరికీ నమస్కారం. ఒక కేసు జరిగింది. బపనపల్లి అంజనేయులు, ఏజ్డ్ 34 years, residing in తంగుటూరు విలేజ్ ఆఫ్ రాజుపాలెం మండల్. అతను రాజుపాలెం మండలంలో మోటార్ మెకానిక్గా పని చేస్తున్నాడు. అతను తన భార్య, ఇద్దరు పిల్లలు మరియు అతని తండ్రి నేమ్ జంగనమయ్యతో కలిసి తంగుటూరు గ్రామంలో నివాసిస్తున్నాడు. On the night of 7th September 2022, Anjaneyulu, he had a quarrel with his wife regarding property and money. Next day, that is on 8th September 2022, at around 5:30 am in the morning, Bapanapalli Jangamaya, he beat his son Anjaneyulu on the head with a pestle, which caused bleeding injuries. Anjaneyulu was then shifted to hospital in Prodhutur and later to a hospital in Kadapa, where he was treated. Later, for better treatment, he was being shifted to a hospital in Bangalore, but he passed away on his way to the hospital. On the complaint filed by Bapanapalli Lakshmi Narasamma, who is the wife of Anjaneyulu, a case in crime number 191 of 2022 under section 302 IPC has been registered in Rajupalayam police station. On instructions of SP sir Kadapa, a team was formed under Shri B Madhusudan Gaur, CI of Police Prodhutur Rural Circle, along with the SHO Rajupalayam police station. The accused in this case, Bapanapalli Jangamaya, aged 71 years, son of Pulana, residents of Tanguturu village, Rajupalayam Mandal. He was arrested on this day, that is today, 10th September 2022, at 9:45 am in the morning at Tanguturu Rajupalayam Road at Tanguturu High School by the team which was led by CI Prodhutur Rural Circle. On interrogation, atanu cheppadu that atanki koduku roju tagi intiki vachevadu and he used to quarrel with him and his daughter-in-law for property and money. Father, that is the accused, he did not want to give the property or money to his drunkard son, who was a spoilt person. So later on, the accused has pleaded guilty to his crime of beating his son in sleep with a pestle, causing bloody wounds, and which led to his son's death before he could recover. So the accused has confessed to his crime. The crime weapon, that is a pestle, which was used to kill the deceased Anjaneyulu, has been seized from the possession of the accused Jangamaya, and the arrested accused will be produced to the court today after medical examination, and as per the procedures of law, the charge sheet will be filed very soon. Thank you.